In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to ChatGPT 4 quickly and easily. This is a simple process, and it's perfect if you want to analyze a video, ask questions about what's happening in it, or get help understanding the content frame by frame. If this video helps you out, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main chat screen, look for the plus icon near the message box. This is the button you'll use to attach files and upload media. Go ahead and click on the plus icon. After that, a menu will appear with different upload options. From this menu, choose Add Photos and Files. This is the option that lets you attach media from your device directly into ChatGPT. Now your file picker will open. Find the video you want to upload on your computer or phone and select it. Once you choose the video, start the upload process and wait for it to finish. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, it may take a few moments. When the video is uploaded, you can type your command into the chat. For example, you could say, analyze this video, summarize the main points, describe what is happening, or extract key details from it. ChatGPT will then use the uploaded video and respond based on your prompt. If you want better results, be specific about what you need. For example, ask it to identify objects, explain scenes, summarize dialogue, or give you a step-by-step breakdown. The more clear your command is, the more useful the response will be. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload a video to ChatGPT 4. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know the process, you can use it again anytime for analysis, summaries, or content review. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.